So I welcome all of you all to the 19th edition of the Konkan Fruit Fest. It gives us great joy back again to be associated with the Our Lady of the Rosary Church in Naveli. Last year we had an excellent event, and the amount of honey came out, the shades, the colors, and the amount of people that came out from South Goa, we had got a very good response, and that prompted us this year with Father's support to come back again to South Goa. And I welcome all of y'all. It's the only plant show in full of Goa, or a fruit show, which is totally going to be organic, and our organization is a non-profitable organization. We all work for a passion and to keep Goa clean, green, and to eat safe food.
सांजे वेळार तरी भशेन जेन्ना आमी बॉटनिकल सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा हाचे वतीन आनी रुजाय सायबिणीची फिगर्स दोनूय मेळून घेरीत भशेन आनी एक पावटी ह्या वर्सा सगळे उमेदीन आमी हे फ्रेश फ्रुट्स कोंकण फ्रूट फेस्ट आमी करता. म्हाका खूब उमेद भोगता जेन्ना आमच्या स्टेफी भयणीन लिजान आनी आमचो सर प्रगांतान हें मान्य केलें तेन्ना हांव तांचें खूब अभिनंदन आठयता. कित्याक हें म्हाका दिसता हाचे उद्देशी जायते आमच्या लोकां मदें हे इनिशिएटीव आनी बरें बरें फुलां ऑर्गेनीक खावपाची आनी ते भशेन शेतकामातूय करपाची ही उमेद वाडटली म्हण. हाचो हेतू एकूच की लोकां मदें आपल्या घरा भोंवतणी जो जागो आसा तातूंत कितें उत्पन्न करचें आनी तातूंतल्यान एके भशेन आपली भाजी पालो फुलां आपली उत्पन्न करची. आनीक एके भशेन आमची जी जमीन आसा, आमची जी शेतां आसा, आनी सरकाराच्यो स्किमी घेवन जाता तितलो उत्पन्न करून आमच्या लोकां मदें हीच आमचो आवंडो जावन आसा हें फेस्ट करपाक. आनी जायत्या लोकांनी येवन हातूंत वांटो घेवचो. तो लोक करता तांकांय बी एके भशेन मदत करून आनी जें कितें भलायकेक बरें. आयजूच हांव एडिटोरियल वाचतालो गोवन हाचो, आनी ते म्हणटात कशे भशेन हे आर्टिफिशियल रायपनींग करतात आनी ताचे उद्देशी आयज आमी कितें कितें खाता तें आमचेर भलायकेचेर वाड ताचो प्रभाव जाता. हातूंत आमीच रोवन आमचे कडेन आसा ते भशेन खावपाक आमी प्रयत्न करचो हेच आमचो ते भशेन. आनी एक फावटी हांव आमचो भाव मिगेल ब्रागांजा आनी स्टेफी आनी लिजा हांकां आनी आमचे हेय भावाक हांव देव बरें करूं.
Which will begin from 2nd, 3rd and 4th of May, and it will start from 10 a.m. to evening at 8 p.m. And in this particular 3-day event, we will have various stalls which will be coming up from various departments. We have the Goa College of Agriculture participating this year with us. We have the Forest Department who's going to be with us, and there will be other agricultural vendors who will be there, who will be selling their plants, different organic manures and fruits, which will be for sale. Hope to see you all there for this 3 days event, and may this event be a fruitful one.
Where is venue?
Rosary Church. The venue will be Rosary High School ground, the event will be from 2nd, 3rd, 4th May on Rosary High School ground, Naveli. Promote the local fruit diversity which is there in Goa and Konkan region. And to carry forward this, we have fresh fruit competition which will be held on 2nd of May. Entries will be taken from 10 a.m. in the morning till 2 p.m. Now if you have local fruits growing in your garden or in your farm, you can get it as an entry. There are details mentioned in the poster. Secondly, we also have best honey competition. So if you are a beekeeper, then you can get honey samples for the competition. It is also on 2nd of May. Then on 3rd of May, we have food product competition. So if you prepare any jam, jelly, pickle or any fruit product, you can get it as an entry for the competition. We are accepting entries from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now these competitions will be judged by professional judges, and 3 winners in each category will be given prizes and certificate in the evening. Besides this, we also have fancy dress competition for the children in the evening, drawing competition, and also fruit eating competitions. And we also having flower arrangement demonstration by Mr. Daniel D'Souza on 4th Sunday at 5:30 p.m. So coming to the fresh fruit competition which will be held on 2nd May, if you are getting berries, may it be local berries or wild berries, it should be 10 numbers in quantity and it should be packed in a Ziploc bag. Then if you are getting jackfruits also, jackfruit kernel should be at least 5 to 6 quantity. Mangoes, chicos should be at least 3 to 4. Papaya, bananas should be 1 bunch or 1 size. Pineapple should be 1. And at least the criteria is at least 1 fruit should be ripe. And judging will be done based on the texture, the look of the fruit and the health of the fruit. Then coming to the best honey competition, if you are rearing honeybees, the honey sample should be brought in 100 ml jar bottle and the name of the bee from where it is collected should be also mentioned on the honey bottle and then judging will be done. Coming to the fruit product competition which will be held on 3rd of May, participants should get any homemade product which is made up of fruits and the quantity portion should be 200 ml to 250 grams and name of the dish should be mentioned. It could be pickle, papad, jam, jelly, but wine, squash, anything, but main thing it should be made up of fruits. So entries will be accepted from 10 am to 2:30 pm on 3rd of May. We have drawing competition for children. The theme is Fruits of Goa and timing is from 11 am to 12 pm. So reporting time is 10:30 am.
Stella Piris, ESTELLA. Piris, PIRIS.
Yeah.
What are the names?